Here we have swamp wallaby. She's a female, beautiful swamp wallaby, having her tea. She's a really good girl, aren't you, darling? Aren't you so beautiful? You like a bit of banana, don't you? What's she going to go for? She's got carrot, papaya, banana and avocado. She likes the banana. Don't you, darling? You're so beautiful. Oops. Jasper cat. Jasper cat, be very good. Come on, we don't frighten our friends. You be a very good boy. Good boy, Jasper. Good boy. You're a real good boy, aren't you? We have to be kind to the wallabies, don't we? Because they're our good neighbours.